Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to become a Fiverr affiliate. So here we are on the main website, so just go to fiverr.com/partnerships/affiliates and click here on accept. So this is the home page. We go right into it, but let me first show to you the partners earnings. So you can earn from marketplace gigs, pro services and from the logo maker. So there are different kind of ways how to earn from Fiverr. So let's first go into how to become a Fiverr affiliate. So click on join now and let's fill this in. Let's not do this. Let's fill this one in. I will be right back to you when this is ready. So guys, here we are. It's filled in. So now it's ready. So the main things you have to select is here if you have a private account or company account you want to, and do you have a main source of traffic, then these two show up. So for me it's my YouTube channel, so I clicked yes and selected my YouTube channel right here. And this is the language or where you are from, your country, so mine is Netherlands, and in what language you want Fiverr affiliates to be. So I have English for now. Click on next. And here is tell us a little bit about yourself. So how do you plan to promote Fiverr services? You may select more than one answer. So for me it is YouTube, mainly YouTube. I don't do blogs or social media, Twitch, etc. So I just select YouTube for now. But if you have like a blog you're writing or you're doing Twitch, then you have to select these two, for example. So let's go to the next one. What are your audience's key interests? So this is also, you have to select what are your main interests of your audience. For me it's programming and tech. I think digital marketing as well, video and animation, and business probably. I do a lot of things, so let's just select this one, these four, and then you have to agree to the terms of conditions and agree to the privacy policy. I've already read these, so that's it. Okay, so I just check them and do register now. And here we go. Congrats, you're a Fiverr affiliate. So we're so glad to have you on board, and we'll do our best to tailor future offers and content to your unique affiliate profile. You're now free to start promoting the world's largest marketplace for freelance services and cashing in some commission. Don't forget about us when you're a big shot. So let's go right into the program to show you now the dashboard, etc. If you feel really helpful about this tutorial, please use my link in the description. Would really help me out. For now, let's go through. So here we are again. This is the dashboard. You have a privacy policy you first have to accept one time. Also, I have read these already. So let's leave this one off. That's optional. So let's click OK. So it got a new makeover. That's great. So it got a new design. That's lovely. But let's click for now on maybe later. So here we are at the dashboard. You can see my balance is still 0 because I just created it. Earned, paid, adjusted. You even have your own contact affiliate manager, so you can contact him right away, your affiliate manager. So that's a great thing I like about this affiliate program of Fiverr. Here you can see your commissions, in which date, clicks, CTR, registrations, and FTB. And let's go to the marketing tools. Let's go over this real fast. So here you have marketing tools, all kind of images you could use on your website as well. Default and deep links. So these are the links you could use for the Fiverr Pro new plan, Fiverr sub affiliates, logo maker new plan, and Fiverr marketplace new plan. So geo-rotation groups, here you have another thing to get the HTML code for your website. Gig ads widget, I don't need these, so let's go to the next one. Here you have your media report if you want to. I haven't yet because I just created the account, just like I said. Registrations report, earnings report, your payments. So you get a lot of things, a lot of info about your payments. For now it's okay, I don't have any yet. You have postback setting, postback log, sub affiliates. So here's your sub affiliates report, and here's your link. So this important link, I guess, will be in my description. And here's the commission plans. So this is the most interesting part. For a sub affiliate you get 10%. Well, for FTD you get $25 to $500 and 10% on ongoing net deposits rev share. So here you have different kinds of plans, like the Fiverr Pro plan, Logo Maker plan, Fiverr Marketplace default commission plan, and that's how you could make money out of the commissioned Fiverr affiliates. And here you have the affiliate store. So let's click on accept. So this is all about the referral program, affiliate program. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if this helped you out, please use my link in the description. Thank you for watching.